guys, it's me Jess, and today we are going to be doing a makeup video. So I'm going now because it's autumn. I'm going for an autumnal. I can never say that word. So we're going for an autumnal look today. I don't know how. I'm gonna do this video in parts, so the videos aren't too long to upload because uploading is a nuisance. So, yeah. I got loads of lipsticks and stuff. I got a nice unicorn brush. And yeah, let's get on with the video. So, first I'm going to get my foundation. Yeah, foundation. And we're going to get my foundation brush because that's what you put on foundation with, other than if you want to use like a blender brush or a blender, some sort of thing, magic, I don't know. Yeah, so we're just going to put that on my hand quickly and put that there. Put the lid there as well. So now we're just going to, sorry, I cannot get comfortable these days. A bit of foundation, only like a little bit. A bit of foundation at least on the brush or your face or blender. I don't really mind what you use. So what we are doing now is we are just putting it practically all over my face. Can't really see, so I'm just looking in my view of me, you know, because I don't have, well, I do have a mirror in my bedroom, but it's very big and very heavy, so I can't really use that, to be honest. I'm gonna blend that in. Comment down below if anybody is excited for Halloween, because I'm so excited. I'm just gonna get some more on there, do my nose. Also, you can comment down below what you like to watch on YouTube, or where did you like find my channel, or whatever, really. Yeah, so I'm just gonna quickly, I can't really see anything. Do I have a mirror? Oh, I do. It's like only a small one now. Right, I'm gonna see where I've put my makeup with my foundation. Okay, I'm really hot because the heating's just beyond. I've done half of my face. That's good, I guess, kind of. Stupid spots. Stupid skin. Stupid. Okay, there's no more foundation on this. I'm just going to put some more on there. Only a tiny bit. But I'm going to now put the other half of my face, and I'm be careful that I don't get it in my hair, because that is a pain to just have in general. Having foundation in your hair is not a good look. Just to point that out. See, and I've got it in my hair now. Good old me. Probably gonna sweat in a minute. I'm already sweating, but you know, it's boiling in here because we just had the heating on, and I was in my dressing gown because I'm lazy and I can't be bothered to get out of my dressing gown or my nightshirt or whatever. I'm just gonna do this, And if some people are doing makeup for the first time, then just to be sure, don't put like foundation on your eyelids or your upper eyelid by here under your eyebrows, or not on your lips either, because why would you do that? This video is already 5 minutes and 18 minutes, 5 minutes and 20 seconds long. That's nice. So you can see I've applied all my foundation, which is fine. And you just put the lid back on that. And what do we do next? Oh yeah, we put powder on. Some powder. But this powder I've nearly run out of. And it's really annoying. I have powder. I have these powder brushes, and I'm sure I have another one somewhere. I don't know where, but you know. I prefer to use a pad sometimes to do it, but this pad is quite light, and I'm quite pale, but it can be annoying because you know like people who are very light, like me, are very pale. Sorry, like me. Could probably get away with maybe this foundation, but I'm very, very, very pale. So, my foundation it looks quite dark, but it's really not. But the powder, I'm just baking my face. It's called baking, if nobody knew that. I'm just applying powder. Comment if anybody does even watch this. Comment down below how you do your makeup, or do you even do makeup? If you're a boy or a man or a woman or a lady, do you do your makeup? I mean, anyone can do their makeup. It's not like a gender thing. Anybody can do their makeup, which is fun. So, yeah. Sorry, that was my mum. I have to go. Bye.